Business types in Atom software are essentially categories that will contain steps that you need to track the various workflows for whatever services that you provide. You can see on our homepage, we have this business type drop-down menu right here. Right now it says we're looking at tax preparation. You can see on tax prep over on the left, we have these different events that we use to keep track of what part of the process that our client is in. Each business type can have its own events in there. So if I flip this to monthly bookkeeping, our events are going to change to track whatever it is that we need to track for monthly bookkeeping. Same thing for payroll. We switch to payroll, we have these different events that we can track. So that is how Atom uses business types and what business types are for. When you get started with Atom, your software is going to have these preloaded business types right up here. You can use these if you want. They're going to all have their own workflows that are created within them. If you need to change the names of these, or if you want to add any new business types, you're going to want to go to Admin, Category Types, and then Business Type. You click on this, it's going to take you to the menu for your business types. If you need to change the name of tax preparation to something else, maybe you just want to call it tax prep for short, you can click this edit pencil, you can type in a new name, and then click save. Or if you need to add a new service that you want to start keeping track of, you can scroll down to the bottom, you have this blank area here, you can type in a new service that you want to track and create a workflow for. So moving over to the client file, and we'll see how business types affect the client file. We're going to go to search, and we're going to search for, these are already in my search results, but you can just search for John Adams. He's a fake client that we put into your software. Your search results will display the most recent year for each business type that the client has. So you can see John Adams has a 2009 tax prep account, as well as a 2018 batch message test. And so we can click on John's name to be taken to his client file, and you can see that right up here we're looking at a 2009 tax prep. We can actually click on this drop down menu to go to other account years or business types that he has accounts for. So if we had like multiple tax prep years, we could click on those years, and then of course our other services, we have other years for that. And so we can click on this to be taken to that particular account file. They're all under John's name, but yeah, they're just basically other files within a John Adams folder, essentially. And each business type and even account year will contain their own events, their own transactions, their own task notes, and as well as account documents. And so you can store the documents that pertain to this particular year and business type. You can just store those in there. And so that is how business types interact with the Atom client file. So that's just a quick overview of business types and their function within Atom. We will have additional videos that you can find if you want to go to Admin, Category Types, and go to Business Type. There will be some additional videos, if you click on the screen help up here, that will cover these settings more in depth. But if you have any questions, just reach out to Atom Support. We will be happy to help you.